Hello everyone and welcome to this video. In this video I will be looking at the iOS app Translate Safari. I will test the free version of this app, but there is a pro version or a full version that costs £3.99. The Translate Safari app allows you to translate web pages that are written in foreign languages and then have them spoken out loud in the language of your choice. There are other translation apps available. These include Microsoft Translator and Google Translate. And this app uses the translation powers of either the Bing Translate app or the Google Translate app, both of which offer translations of over 40 languages. In my trial, I could not get the app to work with Google Translate, and so I just worked with Bing Translate. And I have to say that I did not find this app easy to set up. There were instructions, but either the instructions were poor or my ability to follow them was. In this video, I will take you through how to download the app from the App Store, how to set it up, and then how to use it. In the App Store, type in Translate Safari in the search bar in the top right hand corner, and then it should appear on your screen. There should be a button that says Get next to it. On my screen, the button shows that I've already downloaded it. It's got a cloud with an arrow coming down. So if you click on it, touch it to download it, and then it will say Open. So touch to open the app. And there it is. And now we need to set it up. You need to open your Safari web browser to set it up. So what we need to do is to tap the Action button, which is this button. It's the rectangle with the arrow pointing out of it. A dialog box opens up. In the bottom row of icons, you need to swipe left until you can see More. Press on More to select it, and another box opens up. Somewhere in that box will be the Translate Safari option. You can see that mine's at the top of the screen. Make sure that the button next to it is green, which shows that it's on. You should now be ready to start. So let's go back to the Translate Safari app. Touch the web pages. Safari will open up. Now go to a web page that is written in a foreign language, and then touch the Action icon again at the top of your screen. Remember, it is the icon of a rectangle with an arrow coming out of it. Go down to the bottom row of icons. You should now see the Translate Safari option. If you touch on that icon, the Translate Safari menu appears. The menu has two options at the top, Speak or Translate. If you just want the text on a web page spoken, then just make sure that Speak is selected and then touch the blue rectangular button which is labelled Speak, and the text on the web page will be spoken out loud as is. However, if you want the text translated first, then touch the Translate button at the top and then check that the settings are correct. My settings show that it is going to translate into UK English. The web page is a French web page, and it shows it's going to translate into UK English, and it shows the UK flag. And also below that it shows that it's going to be using the Bing Translate app, and I've selected that instead of Google. Now if you want to translate it into a different language, then just touch on the flag and lots of other languages will be available. Once you have selected the most appropriate one, touch the Translate button which is the big blue button, and the page will be translated. The text on the page will be translated. You can see at the top of the page a yellow bar appears which shows that it's been translated, and the text on the website has changed from French to English. If you want to hear the translation, then if you select the action icon at the top of your screen, go to the bottom row, select Transfer Safari again, select the speech option at the top of the menu, and then select the Speak button. The web page will be spoken out loud in the language of your choice. And so the app first of all translated the page from French to English and is now reading it out in English. And that's my quick demonstration of the app Translate Safari. Thank you for watching this video. If you would like to ask any questions or join in the discussion, then please do so below. Have you had much experience with translation apps? And if so, which is your favourite one?